di ba, itong Blackwater dahil sa mga offensive rebounds niya, loose ball recoveries, etc.
Yeah. Top of that, Marcus Doughty is also doing his share of hustling for those blocks, partner, getting rebounds.
What a way to start yung ating third quarter para kay LA Tenorio. 3 points at agad. Hatid sa atin ng PLDT Home Evolution. Turns your ordinary TV into an internet TV. 11 points para kay LA Tenorio. 3-3.
Gives that lead right back to Ginebra, partner. Only a 2-point lead, pero like we said, Blackwater just hanging around. Only 2 points difference.
And the question, sometimes para sa Blackwater is how long can they sustain? How long can they sustain yung ganyang klaseng laro, sticking close to the opponent? If there's a scoring drought, they might get left behind. Can they sustain, stay close within striking distance? Paulit-ulit.
Yes, pero totoo, talaga kailangan nating panapaalala din natin, partner, yung nakaraang 3 games, itong Blackwater Elite, malalaking margins Yun ang kwentuhan natin ng isa ng ating telecast,
22 points a game average ang talo nila sa kanilang unang 3 laro. Bam Gamalinda continuing yung kanyang sweet shooting dito sa ating ball game. Ties it up at 39 all. That is the second deadlock of the game. Pero that was a short-lived, short-lived deadlock. 5 points to start the second half para kay LA Tenorio.
Well, partner, para sa Blackwater Elite, you mentioned yung kanilang margin of ng mga talo nila. This alone is an improvement na yung nangyayari dito kasi usually teams against Blackwater are able to break it open na kagad ng mga second quarter. 10 point, 12 point, 15 point leads na kagad. Na nagpapaluni to 25, meron pang isang beses, naging 30-35. But ito, ngayon, dikit.
Pero itong second half rather, Jolly. First couple of minutes, wala pa. Minute and a half pa lang gone by. 7 points na agad itong Barangay Ginebra. Pref ni Tenorio, dos ni Tenorio, dos ni Orlando Johnson. So if you're Blackwater Elite, you gotta step it up on the defensive end dahil dalawang layup na naipasok ng Barangay Ginebra. You talked about the inside points kanina, di ba? Nung halftime, 22 to 10 yata ang lamang nitong Blackwater. Pero ngayon, nakadalawang layup na ang Barangay Ginebra. There's the brain trust ng Barangay Ginebra, Frankie Lim, Olsen Rosella, Al Francis Chua, Freddy Abuda, Mark Humalesa. Yan ang mga coaching staff niyan and management.
Marcus Doughty's second free throw. He has a total of 12 points as you look at the coach Leo Isaac. Second free throw, papasok para kay Marcus Doughty.
Dalawa pa rin lamang ng Barangay Ginebra. A big chuckle mula kay Marcus Doughty. As he and Dorian Peña resume their bumping bodies. Kanina pa yung first quarter, yung dalawang yan. Mercado retrieves. Tenorio was open once again. May naiwan na naman sa depensa. He missed on the rebound play. High-flying Baracael knocks down Eddie Laure. And you heard it at halftime. Na-interview natin si Mayor Uy ng Dipolog City. Sabi niya, para sa Blackwater ako dahil taga rito si Eddie Laure sa Dipolog. Diba? Love your own. Orlando Johnson. And he's been rimming out since second quarter. Marami na siyang mintis. Doughty to the cutting. Gamalinda. Depensa na tulog. Layup para kay Bam.
Very nice defensive stop on one side para sa Blackwater Elite. Tapos sa kabila naman, Marcus Doughty locating ang kanyang mga teammates. Bam Gamalinda, wide open layup.
Good passer naman talaga si Marcus Doughty. So that's nothing new mula sa kanya. Just finding the open man.
It's nice rin kasi when everybody's involved, partner, di ba? So lahat kayo, ganado, hindi yung isa parang hindi ako napapasaan ng bola. Magkaganyan. Hindi maganda para sa isang team. So everybody is having fun para dito sa Blackwater Elite. And as I say, back-to-back baskets para kay Bam Gamalinda.
And the lead back to Blackwater dun sa tira na yun. Lamang ng dalawa ang Blackwater over Barangay Ginebra. 45-43. Charlie Cuna together with Jolly Escobar. 3 from LA Tenorio and he's clipped by Brian Eruela. Complaints from Brian Eruela, but it looked pretty clear from this angle.
Sayang, they have a little bit of luxury to do mga silly fouls na ganyan, partner. Masakit yun because again, it's like you're giving away points, my friend. I mentioned it earlier, 3-pointers shoot threes for a reason. Free throw number 1, ayun. Luckily for Brian Eruela.
Yun ang kanina, Sandy Salvacion, one of the best in the land sa free throw. Nagmintis din ng dalawa out of 3, di ba? It happens. Sabi ng iba, hirap din kasi maglaro sa isang venue na ngayon mo lang napuntahan, ngayon mo lang nasa size up. Meron mga katulad naman ni Orlando Johnson kahit saan naman.
Kahit
okay
sa
lang.
madalit.
Pero actually so far, medyo off ang kanyang shooting. Eruela using yung offside ng rim, protecting the ball.
At siya talaga namamayani dito, partner, para sa Blackwater Elite. Again, not only on scoring, getting rebounds, facilitating, at saka getting all those loose balls.
Boy, Johnson loses it on the way up. Madulas ba ang bola? And Eruela now will try to attack once again. Kala ko too fast for his own good, but it was tapped out by Sol Mercado. Ball stays sa Elite, 18 seconds to shoot.
Well, ready na rin sila para kay Brian Eruela because he's playing very well. Ito namang si Rael Cervantes, we know he can score.
Well, top scorer yan para sa Kia Carnival in the first two conferences. Para sa import, siyempre. And now he came over in the trade with Alex Nuiles. Still finding his way.
Very versatile for a big man. Cervantes actually using niya. He can slide him down to the small forward position.
That's right. 5 seconds to shoot. 3. Ito si Sol Mercado. Back rim. Rebound play. Inside track. Rael Cervantes. Sinong foul? Rael Cervantes. In a clash of former teammates.
Gotta love what Bakbak Barakel is doing. Kanina you mentioned getting up for that rebound. Ngayon, attack na naman siya dun sa boards. And this time, nauna siya sa pwesto. Foul pa si Rael Cervantes. So attacking the glass. Bakbak Barakel. Very important para sa Barangay Ginebra. They're down, partner, by 5.
Sabi ko, former teammates yung dalawa. Hindi dito sa PBA, sa FEU. Tamaraw.
Who else is on that team? Couple more.
Sino ba? Pingin siya Minyana?
Yes.
Jonas Villanueva.
Okay. Solid na team.
Ito si Baracael. Passing it over to Dorian Peña, but getting into the passing lanes. The white shirts, Gamalinda, crossing over. Tapos pretty layup, umupo pa sa ere. Ang ganda naman nun. 7-point lead for Blackwater. So Blackwater, ang ganda ng nilalaro dito. 51-44. Ginebra to talk about things. Yan na, nag-ceasefire saglit. Ito na sila on the attack. And you know, nabanggit na rin sa mga first games ng Blackwater na baka naman kasi problema nila. Who's their go-to guy? Pwede kay Mark of Doubt. Who's their local guy that can step up? Who do you go to in crunch time or on a given play pag sira na yung plays? It might be Bam Gamalinda. Diba kasi pinapakita niya that he can actually dribble that ball to wherever he wants to go.
He is a scorer. And the hustle plays, partner, they cannot stop. Para dito sa Blackwater Elite, kailangan patuloy yung pag-hustle nila sa bola.
Baracael, specialty sana of the house yung tres pero hindi pumasok. And the shooting percentage ng Barangay Ginebra going south.
And this is the biggest Blackwater Elite lead at 7.
Well, for either team, kasi Barangay Ginebra, 6 lang ang kanilang pinakamalaking kalamangan dito sa laro. So here's Eruela. Down to 5 seconds. What's Gamalinda gonna do? Let fly from out there. Rolls off. Tap from Lauren to Doughty. Basket inside.
Big offensive rebound para kay Marcus Doughty. Bam Gamalinda fired that one up dahil he feels the confidence pero nag-miss. Luckily, Marcus Doughty was there to the rescue.
You gotta look at the reaction ng bench ng Blackwater Elite. They're loving it, tama. Orlando Johnson, didiskarte. Kaliwa ginamit, bitin. Humingi ng foul pero umaatake ng Blackwater. Time to run down on defense, OJ. Tinantay ni Brian Eruela lahat. Set up muna. Patas-patas tayo, 5-on-5. Lawrence jumper. That goes in, swishy swish in his hometown.
Suddenly, everybody is feeling good para dito sa Blackwater team na to, partner. Parang contagious. Yung nangyari kay Brian Eruela into Bam Gamalinda and then now into Eddie Laure, the veteran.
Well, in past few games nga nila, parang yung nagkakahawaan sila ng lack of effort. Pero ngayon,
nakakahawa rin yun in a bad way, yes.
Pero ngayon, di ba, nagkakahawaan ng hustle, ng energy, tapikan sa depensa, tapos yung rebounds, keeping it alive.
Pero totoo yun, Charles, kasi si Chris Banchero, sinabi ko, yun, energetic na player, pero sabi niya, nahahawa pa rin siya kay Calvin Abuema, kahit na hustle player yun, ha? So, malaking bagay yun, yung aggressiveness talaga.
Lost the ball, however, Rael Cervantes, Mercado nagmamadali. Pero sticking right in his face of Eruela. Good defense, couldn't do anything about that anymore. Good play from Sol.
Baskets that they need, partner. Again, they're very deadly pag tinatakbo nila ang bola. So yan ang kailangan gawin ng Barangay Ginebra.
That's where you miss a guy like Japet, Or maybe Greg Slaughter dahil ito, puro layup eh. Layup Gamalinda, layup Markov Daudit, layup Real Cervantes, pati Brian Eruela, lumayup kanina.
And I'm looking at Coach Frankie Lim. Once a timeout, partner. That looked too easy that time, huh?
10 seconds to go on the shot clock. Taking too much time to set up. They go to Orlando Johnson. Let's see if he can bail them out. Tres. Yun.
Yun na lang ang sasabihin natin. Yun. It turns out to be a very nice timeout para dito kay Coach Frankie Lim. They come in, big three-pointer para kay Orlando Johnson.
Atin yun sa atin ng PLDT Home Team Evolution. Turns your ordinary TV to an internet TV. Lead down to 8. Eruela will try to drive. Spin around. Shoot over Tenorio. Short yan. Can Eruela get it back? No.
That's troubling.
No, grabe hustle niya. Fade away.
Yeah.
Tapos sa pa yung nakaabot doon sa bola muna.
Give him credit pa rin, ano? Nahabol niya talaga lahat ng mga loose balls. Pero that time, hindi tumama sa ring. It's some violation dyan.
They're about the same height, Eruela and Tenorio. So not too much, no advantage there. Pag turn around niya, couldn't take advantage of that. Here's Dave Marcelo. Goes to Josh Urbiscondo, always deadly from any distance. Orlando Johnson flips it up, di pumasok. Dalawang free throw para sa kanya. At tinatanong ng Blackwater Elite, saan yung foul?
Trying to be very aggressive para sa Barangay Ginebra is Orlando Johnson. Attacking the basket, gets fouled. Starting to go to work here. Quick 4 points. He can make it 5 para dito kay OJ, number 33.
2 for 2 para kay Orlando Johnson on that trip. He missed a couple nung first half natin, but knocks both of those down. Lead is 6 para sa Blackwater.
Quick 5 points para kay Orlando Johnson. He has a total of 24 targets.
Well, yun na, 15 in the first quarter, tama ba? Hindi, 12 in the first quarter.
5 seconds, yes.
For fighting for the offensive rebound, hindi nila makuha. Ito na naman
Come,
sa Orlando.
my friend.
Josh Urbiscondo, umilalim dun sa depensa. Gets the hoop on the run and slowly making their way back ang Barangay Ginebra.
Usapan lang natin kanina. Just like that, his 11-point lead is down to 4.
Markov Daudit. Free challenge at defense ni Marcelo. But Marcelo takes the seat out from under. But is caught holding on.
Medyo may konting hawak itong si Dave Marcelo.
Sabi niya, wala. They get the ball to Daudit. 5 to shoot. Jumper. Bounces high and over.
Coach Leo Isa calls for 1 stop para sa kanyang mga nakaputi na Blackwater Elite.
Tenorio, hinahanap si OJ. Who comes out to get it? Reaching in is Laure. He's called for that personal. What can you really do? Ang hirap to stay in front of him. Napakabilis na kanyang first step.
Explosive. Orlando Johnson.
14 seconds shot clock for Barangay Ginebra. Here's Urbiscondo. Approaching the last 2-minute mark ng ating third period. Urbiscondo around the pick. Let's fly from 3. Malakas. Tulbog. Muntik na. But Bronjal keeps it alive out of nowhere.
Big offensive rebound partner para kay Rodney Brondial.
Nag-hesitate tumira itong mga Barangay Ginebra. Finally, Tenorio, let's fly! That's brought to us by PLDT Home Team Evolution. Turns your ordinary TV to an internet TV. Sana lang ang lamang ng Blackwater Elite.
At si Rodney Brondial ang nagse-celebrate ng 3-pointer ni LA Tenorio. And why not? He gave him that second chance opportunity. Big offensive rebound, Rodney Brondial. Big 3-pointer, LA.
Eruela will challenge and intimidated by the presence ito si Bronjal, who saves it from out of bounds. Chance to take the lead for Barangay Ginebra. They wanted to go lob, but Orlando Johnson didn't bite.
Out of position for that alley-oop dunk pa. Itong si Orlando Johnson. Sabi niya, jump shot na lang.
Off the glass, off the glass. Did you call back? Did you call back? Diba? Sa tinanong nila kay Paul Pierce. Of course, yun nga, yung titulo nga ng commissioner, malapit na mapunta sa iba. Kay Chito Narvasa.
Yes.
So, Chito to Chito. Ang mangyayari, pareho pa abogado.
With a shell before.
Turnaround jumper ni Bam Gamalinda nagbintis. One of his few misses here. of Tenorio. Takes it into the heart of the defense. Miss. Who puts it back in? Rodney Brondial. And look at the way he celebrates. Something like that.
Earlier, offensive rebound niya kanina, di ba? Three-pointer ni LA Tenorio. Had a hustle, a nice hustle play dun sa defensive side. Now, a nice putback. Pero yun ang kinailangan ng Blackwater Elite to stop the bleeding, Charlie.
Oo nga, that's a 14-2. Run there para rito sa Barangay Ginebra. Finally, napigil ni Mark of Doubt it yan. Able to hit that jumper. Tap out from Brian Aruela who goes straight to the bench para magpahinga. Three-man substitution. Bulawan, Acuna, Rafi Reyes. Kasi napagod na nga. Sabi mo nga, how long can they sustain yung hustle plays nila? You know, just with the way they were scoring. A nice save from Orbistondo. Orbistondo will attack. Dire-diretso sa missing that layup. Wow.
What a story miss.
I thought that was a sure thing.
I think he got a little bit excited. Oh, wide open lane, Josh Orbistondo.
Hindi nangyayari yan, ano?
Kumabas yung layup, ano?
Nangyayari yan. Bisa magnagugulat sila. And Valacuña, what a big shot. Para kay Valacuña, what a time for him to hit that. A second to go. Tenorio, humuk shot from three-quarter court. And able to hit it. But Blackwater, able to recover near the end. Parang second quarter lang. And grab that lead bago matapos ang third period. 2-point lead for Blackwater. Fourth quarter action sa aming pagbabalik.